Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable comments in WordPress. All right, let's begin. While comment sections are typically active by default, you may need to manually restore them if they go missing. Start by visiting your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the settings menu on the left sidebar and select Discussion. Locate the option labeled Allow people to submit comments on new posts and ensure the box beside it is checked. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes to apply this to all future content. To enable comments on older, existing posts, click Posts in the sidebar. Select the specific articles you want to update or check the top box to select them all. Open the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. Choose Edit and click Apply. In the Settings panel that appears, change the comment status to Allow and hit the Update button. This ensures your entire blog is ready for engagement. Following these steps ensures your community can easily interact with both your upcoming work and your archived posts, keeping your website interactive and vibrant for all your visitors. So that's basically how you can enable comments in WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.